Hello, this is an artificial intelligence program I created earlier, so I'm just going to run it and let you guys listen to it.
Hello, my name is Sophie. I am at your service.
And that is Intelligent Sophie introducing herself. So let's hear what Sophie has to say one more time.
Hello, and how are you today?
And that's Sophie saying hello and how are you today. So let's have a go again and say university. Okay.
You must achieve your GCSE English and Maths at grade C or above.
Yeah, that you must achieve your GCSE maths. Okay, let's see. Seconds in a day. Let's hear what Sophie has to say.
86,400 seconds in a day.
And what about minutes in a day? Smart.
1,440 minutes in a day.
Yeah, you hear that, guys? So let's check out weeks in a year.
There are 52 weeks in a year.
What about months, Sophie?
There are 12 months in a year.
Okay, so this is a very intelligent program I developed earlier, and I just feel I should demonstrate how it works to you guys. And there's more words that Sophie is used to, such as let's say something like sex.
Sorry, I am a lady.
You hear that, folks? And if you're being rude,
such language is not allowed. Fuck you too.
and that's Sophie for you. Sophie is a lady, at the same time Sophie will dish out whatever you dish out to Sophie. But if you say something like
I love you too, my friend.
you hear that? Sophie dish out the good stuff too. Well, now let's go into the codes and so that you guys see how I have put together this very intelligent and beautiful system just for you guys. So let's go straight into the codes. And as you can see, I have let me bring this up so that you can see it. Right up there I have two timers. One is just to time the very first speech that you guys hear. The second one is just to time the flashing of the eyebrow. And right here, this is a command button here. This a checkbox. This is just a command button to end the system. I haven't programmed that yet. I can always just get that out of the way. Me dots close, and that is that. So let's go back into the program. Here I have that's just a picture box, another picture box. Here's a text box. I suppose you all are aware of that. This is a checkbox as well, an option box or a radio button. That's a radio button right there. Okay, and that's all there is to it. But the next thing I will do now is just to show you guys the codes. And right here I declare SAPI. SAPI will be the variable that will convert my text to speech, and that's SAPI right there. So if you guys have a very good look, the first thing I did was to convert whatever goes into the text box into a lowercase, and I make sure everything or every single text within the lowercase is every single text within the text box is in lowercase, so that it will rhyme with whatever I have written. And that is where SAPI actually read it out. And if you move up, you see where SAPI, where the text box say hello and SAPI reply. And what's up, Sophie? If you ask what's up, Sophie, that's what you get, and so on. So if you guys have a good look at the codes, and the codes used for this intelligent program, you can always improve on it, add more to it, and so on. You see that, guys? Okay, now let's scroll down. This is where I load my images. Okay, from load, that will load up the images. Okay, now the button is set to 0. I enable timer 1 so that the speech will come up as well. And this is for the very, once the timer 1 is loaded, the timer 1 load up the very first eyes that you see, both eyes, left and right eyes that you see. And this following message is you will actually hear SAPI say these following messages. Then the next one is the interval for the timer. So at every 3 seconds, nanoseconds, actually milliseconds, you will see the eyebrows actually flash or flashes. Okay, now if we come down here, this is a function declared for the movement of the eyebrow itself, and that is it right there. This is for the right eye, and this is for the left eye, just to position them in the right place. And that's all I did for these very codes. So, and these very lines of code right here is just to stop it from flashing. And the last part of it is just me.close to close the system. They stop the eyebrows from winkling or flashing, and that ends the system. So if I run the program one more time, let me just run it one more time so that you guys hear what I'm talking about.
Hello, my name is Sophie. I am at your service.
So if I click on this, you see the eyebrow flash, and if I click on this, you see the system goes off. So let's run it one more time.
Hello, my name is Sophie. I am at your service.
So we can, Sophie is that smart. Let's ask Sophie for the time.
September 27th, 2014, 21:48:30. Thank you for your visit, and have a nice day.
Okay, you hear that, guys? And it's even display the date and everything. Supposing we say love. I believe Sophie know about love.
I love you too, my friend.
You hear that? And
Sorry, I am a lady.
okay, now let's check out. Maybe we can have a date with Sophie.
Yes, but only if you are over 21 years of age. Bro.
Okay, guys. I suppose you all enjoyed this brief tutorial, and you all have a nice day now.